Bitcoin is a digital currency. Most people think of money transfer as taking place physically, like Alice gives Bob a $1 bill for some vegetables. However, if you've ever sent money overseas, you might have done a wire transfer, which doesn't involve you handing anyone dollar bills. Instead, you call your bank, convince them you are who you say you are, tell them how much to send, where to send it, and which account to take it out of. So we shouldn't be shocked at the idea of digital or non-physical money, since that's actually been around for a while in the form of a wire transfer. To understand Bitcoin a bit better, let's first look at how the bank does a wire transfer. The bank has a big ledger, or spreadsheet, with all of the customer's personal and account information. When Alice calls them and claims to be Alice, she gives them enough information about herself, maybe where she grew up, a secret number, or the name of her first love, to convince them that she really is Alice. That's called authentication. The bank wants to be reasonably sure the request is authentic. Then Alice tells them that she wants to wire $1, let's say, to Bob's account, and the bank makes sure that Alice actually has enough dollars in her account to pay Bob, along with all the bank fees. And if she does, then they send the money. So that's how banks do wire transfers. Now there's something important in all of this, and that's how much trust Alice has to place in the bank for this to work. The bank has control over her money, the bank has a lot of her personal information, and the bank could lie to her about how much of her money is there, and she probably wouldn't find out. It's a very privileged position.